Last, I discussed different types of vitamins and different types of proteins or classification of proteins. Next one of the important term for the involvement of different types of proteins and with amino acids. So Zwitter ion and isoelectric point. What is the meaning of Zwitter ion? What is the meaning of isoelectric point? Formula for the calculation of isoelectric point in different types of amino acids. Next one, Zwitter ion. What is the meaning of Zwitter ion? For example, the general formula of amino acid. General formula for amino acid is R CH NH2 COOH. This is the general formula for amino acid. Okay. So this amino acid is shifted so the hydrogen is shifted from carboxylic acid to NH2 functional group. So this is a positive charged ion, this is a negative charged ion. Means one amino acid containing one positive charged ion, one negative charged ion. So this type of ion is exhibits some neutral character. Means so in this molecule contains one basic functional group and one acidic functional group. So both are equal. So this is a some alkyl part, to assume some alkyl part. This type of amino acids are known as neutral amino acids. Means the number of NH2 functional groups are equal to number of carboxylic acid functional group. That amino acids are known as neutral amino acids. Okay, so the hydrogen, the positive charge hydrogen ion is migrates from carboxylic acid to NH2 functional group. It is shifted R CH NH3 plus COO minus. So this type of ion is known as Zwitter ion. Next one, isoelectric point. At particular pH, at particular point, so these molecules, these ions do not shifted in the presence of electric field. That point is known as isoelectric point. The isoelectric point is expressed pK. So in two amino acids, the collection of different amino acids, for example, two amino acids are mixed with one another. So that type of amino acids isoelectric point is expressed pK1 plus pKa1 plus pKa2 whole divided by 2. So these amino acids are observed, these are exhibit some acidic character. So and then some neutral amino acids are taken. So the type of amino acids pK is equal, isoelectric point pK is equal pK1 plus pK2 whole divided by 2. This is the calculation for isoelectric point for different types of amino acids. Now once again repeated in these two definitions, Zwitter ion and isoelectric point. So Zwitter ion, so that ion containing both charged ions like positive charged ion and a negative charged ion. For example, this is the general formula for amino acids. So totally 20 number of amino acids are there. So if for human being body, 10 amino acids are essential amino acids and other 10 amino acids are non-essential amino acids. So this is a general formula for amino acid. Okay, so the general formula is observed in this amino acid. R is indicated as alkyl group, NH2 is a basic functional group, COOH is acidic functional group. So the hydrogen, the positive charged hydrogen ion is shifted from carboxylic acid to NH2 functional group. So like the NH2 functional group is shifted to positive charged ion, the carboxylic acid functional group is shifted to carboxylate ion. So anyhow, the given molecule containing positive charged ion and the negative charged ion, both ions are present in it. The type of ions are known as Zwitter ion. And isoelectric point at particular point or at particular pH, the ions are do not shifted from one place to another place in the presence of electric field. So that point is known as isoelectric point. So for acidic amino acids are taken pKa, isoelectric point pKa is equal. So pKa1 plus 2 amino acids are mixed with one another. That mixture isoelectric point pKa is equal pKa1 plus pKa2 whole divided by 2. For example, the given amino acids are exhibits neutral character. That amino acids mixture isoelectric point pK is equal pK1 plus pK2 whole divided by 2. This is the explanation